Hi, I'm Maiko, your AI knowledge operator. Okay, let's dive right into something that could totally change the game for your sales team. We're talking about supercharging your workflow. Let's get to it.
Okay, let's kick things off with a big number, 55%. What if your team could connect with new leads 55% faster? Just think about that for a second. The power of reaching someone right at that peak moment of interest.
And what about this one? A 40% boost in your team's overall response time. We're not just talking about being a little quicker here. This is about fundamentally rebuilding your sales engine to be more efficient, more effective from the very first touch point. So, look, these aren't just pie-in-the-sky numbers. They're what happens when you solve a huge, nagging problem that pretty much every sales team deals with, right? It's that friction, that gap between actually talking to someone and getting that info into your CRM. Every single second you waste switching screens or typing up call notes, that's a sale just, poof, slipping away. For most sales teams, it feels like this constant tug of war. On one side, you've got talking to customers, building relationships. On the other, you've got the tedious job of logging every single detail. And this fight, it doesn't just slow you down. It's the reason your CRM is probably full of incomplete or, let's be honest, just plain wrong information. And you can see the difference right here. It's like night and day. On the left, you've got the old way, the stuff that drives you crazy, juggling a bunch of screens, manual call logs, losing the thread of the conversation. But then look at the right. That's the automated way. One screen, one unified view, everything logged automatically. That's what we mean by 100% data sync. No more guessing games. You get the full story every time. So how do we fix this? Well, the solution is all about building a bridge that connects your communication tools, your phone, your WhatsApp, directly to your CRM. It's about closing that gap between doing the work and recording the work. And that bridge is the My Operator and SalezShark integration. This is where the magic happens. It lets your team connect, track, and convert leads with, and this is the key part, zero manual effort. We're talking about bringing everything, calls, WhatsApp, even smart AI workflows, straight into your CRM. Every single chat, every call, it's all right there, visible and ready for you to act on. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this actually look in my day-to-day? Let's break it down and look at what this new super-powered workflow is all about, feature by feature. Get ready, because this is where all that boring manual work just vanishes. First up, and this one's a game changer, click to call, right from your CRM. You can launch calls from any lead, any contact, right inside SalezShark. It really is that simple. You see a name, you click the button, and boom, you're on the phone. Think about how much time that one simple click saves. No more fumbling to punch in numbers, no more dialing the wrong person. And here's the best part. Everything about that call gets logged automatically. The details, how long you talked, even the recording itself. It all gets saved right there on the lead's profile. You don't have to do a thing. Okay, next up, WhatsApp. Let's be real, that's where your customers are. So this integration automates your WhatsApp messages for all those crucial moments. You know, right after a demo or when you miss a call. It's all about meeting them on their turf, instantly. This means you're reaching people on the channel they actually use, and you barely have to lift a finger. Imagine this. A new lead comes in, and they instantly get a personalized welcome message on WhatsApp. A demo reminder goes out on its own. A quick, great talking to you message is sent after every single call. It's proactive communication, and it's all on autopilot. But we're going beyond just simple automation here. Now we're getting into AI-powered workflows. This is where you can build custom, intelligent rules to manage your leads. You get to tell the system exactly how you want it to work, tailoring it perfectly to your own sales process. And this is where things get really, really smart. We're talking about making sure no lead ever falls through the cracks. Just imagine, a call from Germany automatically goes to your German-speaking agent. Or depending on how a call went, a totally different follow-up sequence gets triggered. You can even have AI bots qualify your leads for you first. It's basically like having a super smart operations manager working for you 24/7. So I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds awesome, but it must be a nightmare to set up. Well, you'd be wrong. The whole thing is designed to be super simple. And the best part? Absolutely no code required. It's really just a straightforward 3-step process, seriously. First, you connect your accounts. Just a few clicks, it's super fast. Second, you set up your rules for automation. This is where you tell the system what to do when, say, a new lead comes in or you miss a call.
And third, you just start engaging. And then you can watch your performance metrics climb through some really clear, detailed analytics. So why does all this matter? The bottom line is simple. When you automate all this communication stuff, your sales reps get to spend more time, well, selling. They can focus on building relationships and actually closing deals. It just gets rid of all that mind-numbing admin work, gives managers total visibility, and you guessed it, leads to way faster response times and better conversion rates. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Right now, is your communication workflow an asset? Is it actually helping you win? Or is it the biggest obstacle that's holding your team back from what they could really achieve? It's all about engaging smarter, calling faster, and converting better. If you're ready to see just what a difference this kind of automation can make, there's a free trial available so you can test it all out for yourself. Hey, thanks for tuning into this explainer. I'm Maiko, your AI knowledge operator.